guys, it's Lana again, and as you know, I'm creating a new body of work right now, and I'm in the experimental phase, and so I'm taking materials I've used in the past, changing things slightly to get some new ideas. So this week, I've used the braids, which I've incorporated in my work for quite a while now. I find them just beautiful and simple and elegant, and I've started to kind of weave in the loops within the braids to give it a slightly different look. And the loop, or the teardrop shape, has been a part of my work forever. I've always been drawn to that shape, even when, as a little girl. I use that shape in my drawings. And up here you can see in this piece Extreme, it has the loops of all the rubber bungee cords, and so now I'm bringing those loops into the plastic. And then something else that happened this week was my daughter sent me a Snapchat video, and it was a woman tying a knot in a shoestring. And the knot, when she was finished, looked either like a butterfly or a flower, and so I thought, oh, I'm gonna try that in the plastic. And so it came to kind of look like a little bow when it's done. So that's really sweet. I want to use that in my work in the future. And then in the last video, I was testing out fusing leaves within the plastic. And so here is that piece that I did last time, which I love. But of course the leaves will dry out and flake away, so that's not going to work long term. And I'm not quite ready to use silk flowers or fake flowers. I might in the future, but I'm not there yet. So I thought, well, what other materials can I use? And neoprene rubber is something that I use in a lot of my other work as well. So I thought, I'm gonna cut out some shapes and fuse that in the plastic. And so I did that kind of lace look where I melt the plastic to get the lace look on the white plastic, and then layered that over the neoprene. And then on top of that, put a clear sheet of plastic and fuse that down to hold it all in place. And so that is what this kind of experiment test is. And then I thought, oh, I'm gonna just do some more lace work with fusing the different colors of plastic. And so we've got kind of that tan color with the white. There's also gray bags that I'll use too. And so those are just some kind of fun experiments. And then in the first video, I mentioned a couple like words and images that I wanted to use from the plastic bags. And so here's an example of one. It's the Hy-Vee grocery bag, and it's got this cute little smiley face on it. And so I thought, okay, I'm gonna cut that out and fuse that on the plastic. And so when I did that, I got this little guy. And so with this, the nice thing is this little image on the Hy-Vee grocery bag is on clear plastic. And so when you fuse it, it just kind of disappears and fuses beautifully. Like you can't see where the edges were. When I did this with the word love, it was on a white plastic bag, and so you can really see where it's cut out. So I'll have to kind of think about that when I'm doing my designs and take that into account so that it's not as noticeable. So those are my fun experiments from this week. And I don't know about you creatives, but when I get in this experimental phase, I kind of want to just stay here because it's so much fun, but at some point I'm going to have to start producing some work too. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.